Okay, let's look at working with formulae. So here's a question here, as question 8 from the book. The cost of hiring a taxi from the airport is given by the formula C equals 3 plus 1.5 times K, where C is the cost in euros and K is the number of kilometres driven. So we're asked to find the cost of a journey of 12 kilometres. So our 12 kilometres will be our K, and our cost is our C variable. Okay. After that then, Joe hired a taxi from the airport to his house. The cost was €33. How far, i.e. what is K from the airport? How far does Joe live from the airport? Okay. So the first part then, find the cost of a journey of 12 kilometres. So we simply write out the formula. C equals 3 plus 1.5 times K. Remember, K, the distance, is 12. So C must be equal to 3 plus 1.5 times this value, 12. Just substituting it in there. So 3 is equal to, the cost is equal to 3 plus, and we multiply our 1.5 by 12, we get 18. So our cost is equal to 3 plus 18 is €21. And in the second part, we're looking to find the distance from Joe's house to the airport. So we'll rewrite the equation that is C equals 3 plus 1.5K, which we were given, so that we rewrite it to make K the subject of the formula, because we're given C, we're told it was €33 he was charged, so we're going to try and find what K is. So we'll rewrite the formula so that it looks like K equals. So how do we do that? Well, as usual, we consider what's happening to K, and we see that K has been multiplied by 1.5, and 3 has been added to the term that contains K. So our solution then will mean that we'll take minus 3 from both sides, and we'll look to cancel, and after that we'll divide all the remaining terms by 1.5. So we're going to rewrite C equals 3 plus 1.5K. So we have on this side C minus 3 equals 3 plus 3, it should be C minus 3, apologies, plus 1.5K. So these two will cancel because we've added this minus 3 to both sides. So we'll leave us with C minus 3 equals 1.5K. So that means we now divide all terms by 1.5, so we rewrite our C minus 3 over 1.5 and our 1.5K over 1.5. They will cancel, so K will be equal to C minus 3 divided by 1.5. Okay, and in this case C is equal to 33, so we'll just rewrite K is equal to our C from here, which is 33, minus our 3 all over 1.5. And that's the same as K is equal to 30. 33 minus 3 is 30 over 1.5. K, the distance, is equal to 20 kilometres. And if you wanted to test that, you could put 20 in here, multiply it by 1.5, add 3, and you should get 33. So the next example then just involves writing or making a formula, and then we'll work with the formula in a minute. Okay. So the time taken T in minutes to complete homework consists of 15 minutes to get the books organised and then 40 minutes to do each assignment A. Write down a formula for T. Okay, so write down a formula for how long it takes to do the homework. So the time it takes to do the homework must be equal to 15 minutes to get the stuff together, plus 40 minutes per assignment. So that's 40 times A. So if we were asked the question, how long does it take to do 2 pieces of homework, 2 assignments, so A is 2, our formula would then be able to tell us that T would be equal to 15 minutes plus 40 minutes times 2, i.e. 40 minutes per assignment. There's 2 assignments. So T would be equal to 15 plus 80, 95 minutes. So our last example then is question 15. A taxi charges a fare F of €4 added to €1.50 per kilometre travelled, which is K, added to €2 per passenger P. Okay, write the fare formula. So the fare formula is equal to 4 plus 1.5 by k, so that takes into account this part here, plus 2 times p, €2 per passenger, 2 times p. So, for example, the fare to take 4 passengers, 18 kilometres, meaning that p is equal to 4 and k is equal to 18, would be 4 plus 1.5 by 18 plus 2 times 4. So that fare is equal to 4 plus 27 plus 8, €39.